Hello friends, my name is Vishv and today we are going to solve most popular question of LeetCode 3300 minimum element after replacement with digit sum. Let's read the question first. You are given an integer array nums. You replace each element in nums with the sum of its digit. Return the minimum element in nums after all replacement. Let's understand with the example 1. We are given array nums with element 10, 12, 13 and 14 and sum of digit of tens is equal to 1. Sum of digit of 12 is equal to 3. Sum of digit 13 equal to 4 and sum of 14 digit of 14 is 5. So in this sums we have at least a value which is 1, which is sum of values of digit 10. So this is our explanation. Let's solve the question. Int mean equal to, we take int max for int for minimum and int count to count value of sum of all digit and to travel in all element we write nums dot size I plus plus and we reset count variable after completing all sum of all digits of one element. After that we reset our count variable and let's and also take temp variable because we reduce all digits of our element, but after that so we take temp variable nums I, which is nums I, and while loop which is temp greater than 0, then our count equal to count plus temp modulus 10, which is our last digit, and after that we create our new number which is divided by 10, which is front digit excluding last digit. So after that uh, we take condition for if our count less than our minimum value, then our minimum value equal to our count. After that we return our minimum value like this. So this is our code. Let's run it. So our code passes all test cases of our question. Let's submit it. Let's wait for it. So this is our smart and optimization solution of this code. Time complexity of this code is order of n square and space complexity is order of 1. If you like this video, then share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.